Hey guys, did you know that Germany's three biggest cities lie on a circle? Hamburg, Merlin, and Munich. On a flat plane map, these do lie on the same circle. And there is a reason for this. This is not accidental. And there are other documented cases of this. If you go to the US and look at a flat plane map and plot the three busiest airports, they also lie on a circle. This happens with the largest Amazon warehouses as well. Even though two of the warehouses are close together, a circle will go through them. And there's another interesting case. If you look at the NASA headquarters, Cape Canaveral, in Area 51, there is a circle that goes through those as well. This is not an accident. There is a reason for these. Let me show you the math. First, let's look at the three airports. If we connect this airport to this airport and then bisect the distance between them, this makes one of the circles that'll go through those 2 points. Then if we draw this perpendicular to this is the perpendicular bisector of the segment that connects these two airports. If we choose any point at random on this perpendicular bisector and measure this distance and this distance, they will always be congruent to each other. So that means there's another circle that'll go through these 2 points with this center. Or we can choose another point out here and draw these two segments. These two green dashed segments will also be congruent, which means there's another circle that'll go through these 2 points. Well, we can start over again and connect these two airports, find their midpoint, and construct this perpendicular to this. This red segment will be a perpendicular bisector of this yellow segment. Now, if we choose this point, which is the intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors, this will be equidistant from these two airports. But as we mentioned earlier, any point on this line is also equidistant from these two airports. So that means there is a circle that'll go through these 3 points. And you can find it by doing all this work. We can also do the same thing for NASA headquarters, Cape Canaveral, and Area 51. If we connect these two and then bisect each of those, and then construct those perpendicular bisectors, this intersection of the perpendicular bisectors will be equidistant from these two stars, and it will also be equidistant from this star. And that's how we construct this circle through these 3 points. And the same thing is going to be true for the Amazon warehouse. Even though these are so close together, you can still do all that work and find this circle. So for any 3 non-collinear points, you can draw a circle through those points on their plane. So this is true. They do lie on a circle, but it's not because of special planning or a conspiracy. It's geometry. How exciting. And in the future, if you don't want to fall for posts like this, Brilliant has you covered. Going through Brilliant's interactive lessons is a great way to learn the geometry required to recognize sneaky posts like this one. You can tell Brilliant is designed by experts. And now there's a new update to make it even better, Koji the private tutor. If you're going through a lesson like this right here, you can ask for help. Let me show you.
Build an expression for the total filled in area.
So we need to fill this out, the yellow area and the blue area. Well, the yellow area is c squared. But then how do we do the blue area? There's 4 triangles, so there's a 4, but I don't know what to do with this. Let's ask for help. I'm not sure how to finish this one up.
You've got the area of the inscribed square correct. Let's consider the blue area as a bunch of triangles. If each triangle has area 1/2 AB, what's the total area of all 4 triangles?
Okay, so it's 1/2 AB. We definitely need an AB in there somewhere. If there's 4 of them, each of them are 1/2, we can do 4 times a half to give us 2. So let's check this answer.
You got every single one. Nice work.
So this is how Koji can help you if you're ever confused about a certain step. It's a great way to make complex concepts click. Click the link below or scan the QR code to get started with Brilliant's tutor for free. You can upgrade to the premium account to unlock all courses. And right now, AndyMath viewers can save 20% off an annual premium plan at brilliant.org/AndyMath. How exciting.